Action. So the other important part of this lab is we're starting to think about the midterm. For those people who ask, what's on the test? The test is going to be something you all are going to write. And so the midterm is going to be a short paper, a works cited page, and then 3 to 5 exam questions. And the topic is going to be applying next generation science standards to the various lab topics we are covering during the first half of the semester. And so what you want to do is basically, I provided a link to the NGSS by topic. You want to focus on Earth and space science, and you want to put together, you can see they're definitely in some kind of order, but yep. And they're each are done a little differently by high school versus elementary versus middle, but and you want to spend a little bit of time exploring around, finding ones that look really interesting to you. And then once you've chosen, and then you want to pick 4 of these that look interesting, and then referring to the syllabus, identify at least 1 lab from the first 7 weeks of class that might correspond to that standard. So essentially, you're going to give you a list of 4 different next generation science standards. Make sure you have not just like standard Earth Science 3.1, make sure that it's you have it labeled so something like shape of the Earth or processes that form the Earth, et cetera, et cetera. And you're going to use this to yeah, basically design that. So yeah. So that is basically what we're getting ourselves up to over the next couple weeks. And so between now and you can see I've actually already adjusted the lab write-ups here. We have, I'm gonna have to adjust some of those deadlines, but yeah. So the goal is to have all this all done by about the 22nd of March. And just remember, other students are going to be reading your work, and what I want, but again, between now and the end of next week, all I need is a list of 4 standards and which of these above labs do the standards correspond to. That's all I'm looking for, and I will give you feedback on that, detailed, telling you what I think, what project I think you should work on. And you can, this project, once you start really working on it, it's just going to be about 2 to 3 pages. It could be a 5-minute video. It could be really, yeah, just about, it could be a dance. It could be a video game that relates to this. It just has to be, your work has to be fun, or should try to be fun, and it should try to be informative. And I'll have more details by the middle of next week. So that's about it. I think that covers everything we're doing today. All right.